and welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys are doing awesome. Thank you for watching. Thank you for clicking on this video today. I do appreciate you watching. I had mentioned to you guys that you will see this piece of jewelry on me in every single video that I do because I love this piece of jewelry so much. It is so chunky, so versatile. You can wear this with just about anything. Dress it up, dress it down. It doesn't matter. It's going to look really, really sexy and beautiful. I am just wearing a tank top and a pair of 3/4 length leggings today. And this pink top you would have seen in last week's video, the summer layers video. I'm going to link it above for you guys just in case you want to check it out. And you know, so hoop earrings, simple makeup, and that's it. It is such a beautiful, versatile piece. You can check ASOS. I did get this from ASOS, so the website. So of course it's a website. What am I talking about? Just check out ASOS. Relax, Odette. Just check out ASOS and hope it's still available so you guys can pick it up. It is such a beautiful piece of jewelry. I absolutely love it. So my friends, in today's video we are going to talk all things white oversized shirt dresses. I was having a conversation, a fashion conversation mind you, with someone today, and we were talking about oversized white shirt dresses, how you wear them, how do you style them, and that conversation inspired me to do this video. So I have a few oversized white shirt dresses in my collection, and I just want to show you guys 3 different styles. This is going to be a try-on haul for you guys. It's not really a haul, but you're going to be seeing 3 different styles of them on. And again, you know, you might be asking yourself, how do you wear these things? You just put them on and you go, because they're so full and they're just so spacious, full of room. You just put on some jewelry, some court shoes, running shoes, flat sandals, flip-flops, whatever you want, beach cover-up. You can just wear them however you want. And coming up in just a minute, I'm going to be showing you guys 3 different styles that I do have, and I love these styles so much. And they're beautiful and perfect for the summer season, for fall, and then you can just leave them open or closed. Anyhow you want to wear these, you can. And again, very, very versatile. And I think a lot of people, especially my age, over 50, who would say to themselves, I can't wear this or I can't wear that. Of course you can. I mean, fashion doesn't really have any age, really, guys. I mean, really, it doesn't have an age when it comes to certain fashion. And I always like to keep things really simple. And if you're over 50, you can definitely wear these looks and you can dress them up however you want. Very, very beautiful. I remember I was out and about one day and I saw this beautiful old couple, and they were walking slowly holding hands, and she was wearing a white oversized shirt with a pair of sandals and a bag, just a handbag on her hand. And I thought, how beautiful that looks. So just stay tuned, guys. Coming up you would see these, and I'm going to let you guys know exactly where I got these pieces from if I remember. They are going to be in the description box for you guys. So thank you so much for watching, and please enjoy, and I shall see you guys next time. Toodles. So this is the first one I'm going to show you guys. Okay, this is it right here. Okay, I am just wearing a pair of shorts because I want you guys to see the full beauty of this fabric. It's very, very soft, and this is from ASOS, and this is a size 14. If I'm going to be buying an oversized shirt, I will definitely go down a size, because if you buy your regular size in an oversized shirt dress, you're just going to be swimming in it, to be honest. And again, I'm just wearing a black tank top and a pair of shorts so you guys can see the full beauty of this shirt dress. And there it is. It looks really, really pretty with this chunky necklace. It's long sleeve, and I just roll the sleeves up. You can keep it down if you want, but it would be nice to just roll it up to just give it a little bit more of a, almost like a tuxedo type of look. You can button this up if you wish. Let me bring my camera down so you guys can see. And there we be. Okay, try to imagine if this is buttoned all the way down. It fits really nicely, very comfortable. And of course you do have a little slit to the side for comfort. If you want to slip into the car, it looks really great. Very, very, very pretty. And of course you can go in with any jewelry you like. I mean, you can even go in with something colorful just on top. That would be perfect. Or if you want to do something glitter, I know Miss Denise, she is a glitter queen and she loves to have her bling. And if you want to add some bling to this, you can go right ahead. Okay, let me just put this one down. Okay, I've had this in my collection such a long time ago, and you can just add this to the bottom of this and just, you know, button this up a little bit and to have that show. Or you can just wear this on top and just have it hang down. It's going to look so pretty. And of course, any kind of jewelry you like would be absolutely perfect with this oversized shirt dress. And here it is, very, very pretty. Sandals of your choice, boots, you want to choose more shoes. If you want to wear this as a cover up on the beach, that would be absolutely perfect too. Really, really pretty. And the fabric is really soft. Very, very, very nice. Absolutely love it. That's the back, nice and flowy. And this is perfect for an office wear. Like if you want to go to work, let's say for a Friday, that you know, some offices you cannot wear jeans. If you just want to wear this shirt dress to an office, it is classy enough to wear to work on a Friday for your Friday dress down days in the summer season. It would be absolutely gorgeous. I love this piece. Very, very nice. So here's another one for you. This one is in a size 12, as you can see. Okay, and I don't remember where I got this from. The brand is Daisy Street. It must be from Debenhams or somewhere there. Although this is a size 12, it is still quite big, but I really like it. Again, it is long sleeve. I just roll the sleeves up, and let's just put this on. Okay, I'm just gonna keep on this, keep this necklace on because I think it looks so pretty. So what you can do is you can just button this all the way down if you want. I'm not gonna do it just to save time. Okay, so this is it. You have a beautiful, beautiful large patch pocket right there. Do you see that? Very, very, very pretty. And of course, if I go all the way back, let me just bring my camera down so you guys can see the full length of this. Look at how beautiful this looks. And again, I love the fact that they do have the slit to the side, so it's easy to get in and out of the car, so your shirt dress is not going to rip on you. This is long sleeve, and I just roll the sleeves up. Again, any jewelry you want, you can wear this with. It's just absolutely perfect. You can button this all the way down, and if you just want to leave this button exposed so you can have like a V-neck type of look. Let me bring my camera up so you can see what I mean. That would be perfect. If it's nicely buttoned down with without the black showing, it will look so stunning with this piece of jewelry just showing right there. It is so gorgeous. Love it. If you just want to wear it like this as well, that would be totally fine. Go in with a pair of shorts and a tank top and have this open like this. It would be absolutely beautiful. This is the front of it. And of course, this is the back. It is very, very pretty. Very pretty. And again, white shirt dresses are so versatile. I mean, anybody can wear them. You can dress them up, dress them down. And especially those hot summer days, you know, these are just perfect to wear. And again, size down. Don't go up a size when you are buying shirt dresses. Okay? And the last one I'm going to show you guys, this is a size 16. Okay? And I'm not quite sure where I got this one from. I really don't know, but I love the style of this because, as you can see, it's beautifully pleated right there. So nice. I just love that so much. Hope you guys can see the pleating detail right there. It just needs a bit of an ironing, but there we go. So pretty. So let's just put this on, and so we should see how this looks. I mean, look at that. Oh my god, this is just so pretty. And of course, you do have a pocket right there, just on one side, just to put your little phone or maybe your bank card or travel card or something. And beautiful sleeves. My god, I love this top. Let me just pan my camera down a little bit because I want you guys to see the pleats. Could you imagine you just wearing this with a pair of sandals and it's blowing nicely in the wind. It's not going to go like that. It's just going to just blow nicely, because of course you can button this all the way down, and the pleats are just gorgeous. This is the back of it, okay, and this is the front. With this, it's a little bit more stylish, I would say. I will button this all the way down. I will keep the collar standing up. Let me just bring my camera up for you guys. So you're going to be playing a little bit of a tic-tac-toe here with my camera. You can just button this like this, like so. Keep the collar standing up and have your jewelry showing. Oh my God, how pretty is that? This is absolutely gorgeous. Love the sleeves. Just right in the middle of the arm right there. Very, very, very nice. And very pretty. You can go in with your Louis Vuitton, your Kate Spade, your bag from Walmart, your running shoes. And this is, to me, like I said, it's a little bit more of a dressed up style. So I wouldn't go too cheap with the shoes and the bag. I would just go with something a little bit more upscale. And try to imagine you're going to a theater, or you're going to brunch with your friends, with your husband, with your loved ones. You're entertaining at home. This is so gorgeous. And again, you can just wear something underneath, leave this open. But because it's a shirt style dress, you should just really style this as a shirt style dress and just wear it as it is. You know what I mean? If you want to go in with a pair of leggings, go right ahead, but it's not necessary because these are summer wear. Really nice. I really like that. Again, this is the back. Very pretty. And of course, you can keep your necklace on, and this necklace is just so sexy. I love it. Again, you can have the collar standing up like that. Just keep it standing up, and then you can have your jewelry showing right there. Gold, silver, African bohemian, whatever kind of a jewelry you like can work with this, because of course it's white. This is more of an off-white color. You may not be able to see it on camera, but it's almost like an off-white color, which I really like. Very, very pretty. Again, let me just bring my camera down so you can see the full effects of this beautiful, gorgeous dress. It's amazing, lovely. So what I'm going to do is, if I find all the details of these dresses, I will leave them down below for you guys, or you can shop for something that's similar to these, or anything in your liking. But it is just super awesome, very, very comfortable to wear, not too heavy on the body, doesn't scratch your skin. It's just very, very pretty. And there we be. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. My name is Odette. Thank you for watching. I shall see you next time. Toodles.